Teachers Day. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Yash, and I feel very happy to stand here and talk about our teachers on this special day, Teachers Day. Teachers are the true guiding stars in our life. They not only teach us lessons from books but also teach us important values, patience, and how to face challenges in life. Our teachers always encourage us to do our best. They inspire us, correct our mistakes, and motivate us to achieve our dreams. Every word and advice from them helps us grow into better students and better human beings. On this Teachers Day, let us thank our teachers for their love, guidance, and support. Their hard work and dedication make our journey of learning smooth and meaningful. Once again, I wish all our teachers a very happy Teachers Day. Let us promise to respect them and make them proud. यह वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें अपने चैनल को।